Question number 1. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Question number 2. Which is the longest national highway in India? The right answer is option A, NH 44. Question number 3. Where is the Kaziranga National Park located? The right answer is option A, Assam. Question number 4. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? The right answer is option B, NaHCO3. Question number 5. When is the International Yoga Day celebrated? The right answer is option C, 21st June. Question number 6. What is the total number of railway zones in India as of 2025? The right answer is option B, 18. Question number 7. What is the capital of Bhutan? The right answer is option B, Tempo. Question number 8. Who discovered electricity? The right answer is option B, Benjamin Franklin. Question number 9. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental duties? The right answer is option C, Part 4A. Question number 10. What is the full form of GDP? The right answer is option A, Gross Domestic Product. Question number 11. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The right answer is option D, 9. Question number 12. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? The right answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Question number 13. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? The right answer is option D, Sri Lankan rupee. Question number 14. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The right answer is option A, mercury. Question number 15. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? The right answer is option A, Curity. Question number 16. Which country is the largest producer of wheat in the world? The right answer is option D, China. Question number 17. The term Green Revolution is associated with. The right answer is option A, agriculture. Question number 18. Which vitamin is produced in the human body with sunlight? The right answer is option C, vitamin D. Question number 19. What is the capital of Norway? The right answer is option A, Oslo. Question number 20. Which river is also called the Dakshin Ganga? The right answer is option B, Godavari. Question number 21. What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? The right answer is option B, Epsora. Question number 22. Who founded the Arya Samaj? The right answer is option B, Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 24. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice? The right answer is option C, The Hague. Question number 25. In which year did the Indian Railway start? The right answer is option B, 1853. Question number 26. Who wrote Panchatantra? The right answer is option C, Vishnu Sharma. Question number 27. Which gas is used in the manufacture of fertilizers? The right answer is option B, nitrogen. Question number 28. What is the study of soil called? The right answer is option C, pedology. Question number 29. Who invented the television? The right answer is option A, John Baird. Question number 30. What is the capital of Argentina? The right answer is option C, Buenos Aires. Question number 31. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state in India? The right answer is option C, Governor. Question number 32. Who invented the electric bulb? The right answer is option C, Thomas Edison. Question number 33. Which city is known as the city of joy? The right answer is option C, Kolkata. Question number 34. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? The right answer is option C, 100 degrees centigrade. Question number 35. What does www stand for? The right answer is option A, World Wide Web. Question number 36. Which Mughal ruler built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? The right answer is option C, Shah Jahan. Question number 37. Which of these is the hardest substance on earth? The right answer is option C, diamond. Question number 38. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The right answer is option A, Kerala. Question number 39. Who was the first Indian to go to space? The right answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 40. Which lake is the largest in India? The right answer is option B, Chilika Lake. Question number 41. What is the currency of Russia? The right answer is option B, ruble. Thanks for watching.